Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
I have something that you are definitely going to want to add to your cleaning supply closet. It is this Wall Mop by ajboxme. It has made cleaning so much easier, especially those awkward places. So it comes with a nice little hang up, and because the head folds completely flat, it takes up no space, lays flat against the wall. Has a nice little squeegee for windows, and it comes with lots of pads. So you get 3 of these microfibers and 3 of the chenille ones. And it is extendable, very adjustable. They just add extra pieces by screwing them in so you can make it as long or as short as you want. I love the maneuverability because it really was able to get in some awkward spaces like behind your toilet. It also is really great for cleaning walls because it is tall. You don't have to get a step ladder. It also adjusts really well so you can go along the trim and the walls, and it cleans it so nicely and super quick. I also was able to use this to clean windows, and these are some awkward windows to get to. They're behind the couch, so usually I'd have to stand on the couch, but now with this thing, I can extend it just enough that I can stand on the edge of the couch and wash my windows. This is such a time saver, and you can use it for so many things: cleaning fans, cleaning ceilings. I cleaned our patio doors in less than 4 minutes. So if you're looking for some ways to make difficult tasks a little bit easier, this wall mop definitely has done that for me.
And that's my point of view.